Good afternoon. This is Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staly with a COVID-19 update on Friday. Flagler County now has 55 confirmed cases of COVID-19 with 8 total hospitalizations and 2 deaths. Flagler County has now tested 902 people with a 5.8% testing positive, which is under the state average of 10.3%. Due to the wider availability of testing in Flagler County, it is likely that we will see an increase in the number of positive test results in the coming weeks. Florida is now predicted to peak in 16 days on May 3rd, according to the projection model. That means it is important to remember the safer at home order is still in place by the governor, and we should continue to practice social distancing, wearing face masks while shopping for essential needs or out in the public, and staying home if sick. Yesterday afternoon, the county announced their decision to reopen specific parks and trails in the unincorporated areas of the county. The cities of Palm Coast, Bunnell, and Flagler Beach jointly announced that all of their parks, trails, beaches, and facilities remain closed until further notice. This means that while there are some parks and trails open in Flagler County, the parks and trails within any of the 3 city limits are still closed. The Flagler County parks that are now open are Bing's Landing, Herschel King, Malacompra Mountain Bike Trail, Pellicer Community Park, Russell Landing, Bull Creek Boat Launch, Shell Bluff Park, Hidden Trails, Princess Place. The City of Palm Coast is partnering with a local faith-based group to organize a food drive to help feed local families. The City of Palm Coast and Parkview Church will be accepting food donations from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday, starting this coming Monday, April 20th, at these 2 locations: City Hall, 160 Lake Avenue, Palm Coast, and Parkview Church, 4535 Belltail Parkway in Palm Coast. A list of acceptable donation items is on your screen. These same 2 locations will be the locations of food distribution for residents on Saturday, May 2nd, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. During the distribution, residents must stay in their vehicles, pop their trunks, and allow volunteers to place the bagged food items in the trunks. Volunteers will be wearing appropriate protective gear like gloves and masks, and deputy sheriffs will be on hand for traffic control and security. Flagler Cares announced the launch of a new coordinated response system to assist Flagler County residents with their needs as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. If you have been affected by COVID-19 and need assistance with food, rental, navigation, and understanding the unemployment application process, you can reach Care Connect Plus Flagler County by calling 904-819-3094 or visiting careconnectplus.com. For health-related questions concerning COVID-19, please call the statewide COVID-19 hotline 866-779-6121. We want to make you aware of a new scam that is going on regarding COVID-19. People have reported receiving a text message on their phone indicating that they have been near someone who has tested positive for COVID-19. In the text message, there is a link to find out more. However, clicking the link allows the sender access to your device and potentially to your personal information like passwords and credit card numbers. Never click a link in a text message or email if you do not know or trust the sender. The IRS started sending out the economic impact payments or stimulus checks this week. The payments are automatic for most taxpayers, and you do not need to do anything to receive the funds if you filed tax returns in 2018 and 2019, and most seniors and retirees. That said, the IRS has set up a web page where you can see if you are eligible and to check the status of your check. It also includes answers to many frequently asked questions. You can find that website at the link on your screen. On Thursday, Governor DeSantis issued an executive order to suspend the biweekly actively seeking work reporting requirement for unemployment claims. This is a temporary change to assist people that have been laid off because of COVID-19 and they can't look for a job. Thank you for all your continued patience in helping to slow the spread of this virus. Please continue to practice social distancing, wear a face mask when out in public, and avoid group gatherings. Stay home as often as possible and only go out for essential services. Our county has done a great job in working to flatten the curve on this virus. Remember, we will get through this together. Follow us on social media to stay up to date. Remember to tune in to our weekly Neighborhood Watch meetings on Thursdays at 5 p.m. on our Facebook and YouTube pages. Our Community Outreach Unit will explain recent crime trends and how you can help keep yourself and your community safe even during this pandemic. And on Wednesdays at 4 p.m., one of our school resource deputies reads a children's story as a way for them to stay connected to the students. Visit flaglersheriff.com/coronavirus for the latest updates or download the Flagler County Sheriff's app in the App Store or Google Play to stay up to date. Stay safe and have a nice weekend at home.